Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Christmas video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Christmas Bluey surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Bluey Christmas surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, we're going to make a present. So let's begin by making a line that's just going to come up. We're going to go over and then down here. Next, let's go down, over, and then up here. Right up here, let's make a sad face for the part of the bow. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then up and down for the actual bow. I like to draw these little lines in here too. Next, let's make this line come down, and then let's make this line come down. Then, right here, let's make a little line that comes off with a little rectangle on it for a tag. And we can put a little paw print on here by making a little circle, and then we're just going to make 4 little dots around it. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have 2 halves of our present. So let's begin right here with the bottom part. So I'm going to bring this line up, and I'll bring this line up. Then I'm just going to bring this line across, and these 2 lines up to kind of shape out the bottom of our present. Now let's put Bluey right in here. So let's begin by making an oval for the first eye. Then let's put a small oval in here, and we'll just kind of color this in. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and then up here for the nose. Then we're going to come down. We're going to curve this around and up in like a smile and bring it over to here. I'm going to make some little bumps for the teeth and a little curve for the tongue. Then let's connect this right here. Next, over here, I'm going to make another line that's going to go up and down for the other eye. We'll make a little half oval here and just kind of color this in. Next, let's make an oval shape for an eyebrow, and then another one right here for the other eyebrow. Then we're going to go up, and we're going to come right across here. And then we're just going to come down. Now for his Santa hat, let's make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go around and then connect to here. Then we're just going to go up and down to here and come back up. We'll add a little circle here at the end. I like to put a little line right here too. Next, right here, we're just going to make a line that's going to curve down. And then right here for his arm, we're going to draw a line that comes out. Make a little bump. Then we're going to make a curved line around, and we're going to bring this back. Then let's make 1 and 2 little lines for the fingers. And a little line down. Let's do the same thing over here. We're just going to come up with a small little bump. Then we're going to make a little curve like this and come back. Then we're going to make one and then two little lines. Next, we're going to make a little line here for part of the eye, and a line here, and then a line right here. We'll also do a curve here, and then one here for spots. Now for the top of the package, let's just bring this line down. We're going to come over and up, and then make some little lines here. Then you can always make some fun extra little things here. You could draw like a candy cane popping out of here. You can make things like a Christmas ornament coming out of here. And whatever other little fun things we could make, like a small Christmas tree. And then over here we could even make like a string of lights. We can make like some little lights coming off of here. Any little fun, kind of Christmassy little design you think would be fun to add into here. And there you go. When we have it all closed up, we have a little Christmas present. And then when we open it, we've got Bluey popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.